Hey guys, I'm now here in Tampere and I came to Comic Con.
Somebody is in a military.
This is quite interesting, I would say.
Voi ladata sen ohjelman myös.
Lots of people here. Maybe I should already go to line. Okay, it just came from autograph line. Unfortunately, it was only one autograph per ticket, so I took here.
Oli ehkä mulle liikaa.
I gotta tell you that what I remember, even Naples in Italy feels less crowded than Comic Con.
And do all the normal things that penguins do, which is put on rocket packs and fly around and become pirates and become secret agents. It was great fun, and that was a great way to start my career. It got me thinking about what does it actually look like to care for young people online.
We're the cheapest in the house.
a very long line where people are trying to get to Q&A session of Kit Harington. 800 people can get to the hall, and maybe twice the amount of Dutch people are already in line. So, that was my visit to Comic Con Finland. Day was quite nice. Even it was quite crowded every now and then. Like I said earlier, that even Naples feels less crowded. But now I'm going home, and next Saturday I will be in Stockholm. I'll talk to you then.